Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I created this look with using most affordable makeup brushes, and also will be sharing review of these brushes. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video you get notified. So let's get into the video. So this is generic makeup brush and I bought it from Amazon. You get the total 10 brushes, 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. So this is how it looks like. The bottom part is wooden and the packaging is simple and very cute. I have it in pink, but they are also available in black color. Using my primer with this brush. This is a flat top brush. The texture is very smooth and soft. It can also be used for blending eyeshadows. I'm taking this flat top face brush. This is fluffy. The bristles are so soft. देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं कभी ना कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं कि हम तो आस पास सांस में और रात साथ बात करें क्यों ना रह लो ना. It works really well, as you can see. You can also this brush for baking your face or as a blush brush. Moving on to the next brush. So I'm taking this pointed face brush. It can easily reach to the corners of my eyes. Just tapping it, and it works really well. For baking my face, I'm using this angled fluffy brush. The density is quite nice. Tapping it. So it works really well, as you can see. For contouring, I am taking this brush, and this is my favorite brush of this set. Like you can see, the density is superb and it's so fluffy. So let's contour with this brush. Okay, so as you can see, it works really well, and you can also use this brush for blending everything out. So I am using this fluffy, not so dense brush. Basically, this brush is all-rounder brush. Like you can use this for blending your foundation, contouring, as well as blush. So moving on to the eye part. There is no eyebrow brush available in this set, so you have to buy this separately. For outlining your brows, you can use this pointed brush as well as this angle brush. So there are two angle brush, this and this. This is more pointed and this is lesser. I hope you guys can understand the difference. The density is quite similar. I'm using this brush, so you have to outline with this side, like this side, as I am doing. I'm doing to this eye similarly. I'm taking this color and applying over my eyelid with this fluffy blending brush. It blends really well, like really well. Taking this color, and using this pointed eye brush for tapping the color, tapping it on my crease. Now I'm using this angle brush for blending the color that I tapped. So it also works really well, and also it is really easy to use on the crease area. And now I am taking this shimmer shade and applying it with this pencil brush. Now I am blending everything well with this blending brush. Now I am taking this pointed face brush for applying my highlighter. Now I am taking the same color and this pencil eye brush for my lower lash line. This brush really works well. I'm using highlighter with this brush. Okay, so it's almost done. I have put on my lashes and applied lipstick off camera. So you have seen how they really work. I'm so happy and satisfied with these brushes. I'm not saying it's the best brush I have ever used, but according to its price, it's really good. packaging is really nice and strong. Bristles are so soft and smooth. The texture is so good. It's really easy to use, functions really well, and it's superb affordable. I definitely recommend you guys to try this, especially beginners. I will give you the purchase link in the description box below. So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all so much.